Welcome to a world of luxurious indulgence. Introducing Amara, the visionary brand that redefines bathroom design. Amara seamlessly blends sophistication, innovation, and functionality to create remarkable spaces. Impeccable attention to detail and quality craftsmanship set the stage for elegance and style. Each Amara product showcases a fusion of aesthetics and appeal. From exquisite faucets to stunning showers, every element is meticulously crafted for refinement. Amara integrates technology, ensuring convenience and eco-friendliness without compromising design or performance. Discover a range of captivating fixtures and accessories that inspire and captivate. Amara's commitment to superior craftsmanship is evident in the use of premium materials, epitomizing luxury and sophistication. Amara represents indulgence and refined taste. Transform your bathroom into a realm of unparalleled luxury with Amara. Visit ukbathrooms.com/Amara and discover the exquisite collection. Redefine luxury with Amara.